I'm Lex Vasquez, and I am the Director of Development at TEN7. I went to MCTC, Minneapolis Community and Technical College, for web design because I thought at the time I was more interested in designing websites. But as the program went on, I got more interested in how the web works and how websites are built. I started working a few hours a week while in school, and after school was done, I came on as a contractor, like mostly full time. We all were contractors at that time, and now we have full set of full time employees, and it's kind of crazy how it's evolved. So the way we operated at 10/7 is sort of push you into the pool and we'll see if you can swim approach. It's just on the job training, really. I probably felt comfortable actually after I was brought on as a full time. You're always learning. We have a set of code standards when we write code, how it should be formatted. Those things are essential. So we work with Drupal, which is open source. We know that we aren't going to be the only people looking at this code. And to me, that's like we write stuff that other people can use and know what's going on. That and efficiency, but that kind of comes with experience. There's always more than one way to approach a problem in development. And so that's where you can be creative and also maybe try to be the most efficient. That's the creative part, figuring out what maybe is the best approach for this project, for this client, for this problem. But keep in the back of your mind, well, let's generalize this a little bit so that we can contribute this back to the Drupal community because somebody else is going to come across a similar problem. And let's try to solve it for more than one person. Starting off, I didn't know a lot of people who were programmers. I don't have a lot of friends that were programmers or anything like that. So when you have a open source community where people are contributing back and forth, they're communicating, it's endless resources to help you solve the problems you're trying to develop. That's the main thing for me. It's available to everyone, and that's what 10/7's about, helping others. For the last several years, I'm working on a psychology project, a lot of editorial work. That's what they do. They have a vast viewership, millions of views per week, which is great. And to me, I helped make that possible, helping millions of people with their mental health. That's cool to me. There are some problems we'll solve that most of the people won't see, and it's solved for a specific group. For example, there's a team of editors that most of the work I write for the Psychology Today project is for them. But there are other parts that are for public. It's important to make sure we're doing the right things for accessibility because not everybody is able to see or hear. Those are the kinds of things we keep in mind. So trying to solve the problem. Make things that matter definitely sums up what 10/7 is all about. We strive to make things that matter. We want our work to mean something. When I think about our clients and the work that we deliver that matters, I think of companies like Animal Humane Society, where we're helping people, animals, that truly matters. We have Bloomington Public Schools as a client, and we're helping children and their families communicate with the school. It's a whole entire community we're affecting, which I think matters. I like working on projects that mean something to our team and the group that we're delivering the project to. I like to think of it, we're like more of a partnership rather than we're just hired to do this thing. We're not just a service. Many of our clients we've had long-term relationships with, and I like that.